Mimi.
Look at this small ant carrying the leaf.
Where are you
It's
gonna?
so cute. It's a small ant carrying a leaf.
Yeah, where are you gonna? Mimi, don't move my hand. Where do you think he's gonna going to do? This is not food. Why are you carrying?
I don't know. Maybe he wants to make a house.
Yeah, best answer.
I think he just wants to go and make a house.
Do you think he's gonna going to survive? He's not gonna going to tired.
But the leaf is not something tiring.
Or Mimi, the ant is really so small, and for them that is already so heavy.
Why doesn't other ants come to help him? Because ants are always together.
Ask them, ask them.
I never saw ants alone. The ants are always.
There's ant here, come on, oh. Where it is? Oh, see, but he,
Back.
Mimi. I'm already tired, Mimi. I think it's gonna take a long time
Yeah.
to film this one. Bye. Have a good luck to bring that one into your nest.